Talofa, welcome to week 5 and happy Samoa Language Week. Wow, we are already halfway through term 2.
Here's for the school karakia. It's a Riki, Manaka Te Amato, Mea Mato Whanu, or Tenero. I promise that today I'll do my best and encourage others to never give up. I promise us I never give up myself, my learning, and our life. I promise us to all my heart. I mean.
Hello, and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we're going to learn about integrity. A person who has integrity is someone who believes in kindness, honesty, and fairness, and practices those things every day in every way. For example, a person who is nice one day, but then tricks or teases someone on another day, does not have integrity. But a person who always does the right thing because it's what they believe in, well, that person does have integrity. So if you are kind, truthful, honest, and fair, and you act that way every day, pretty soon, people will see you as a person with integrity. And that's a super goal to aim for. That's the power of integrity. Now, here's your challenge. How can you practice living with integrity as an individual? In your classroom and as part of your school. Good luck in your challenge. And good luck practicing integrity. Remember, integrity means being kind, truthful, honest, and fair each and every day.
We celebrated Anti-Bullying Week. This week we learned all about being kind to others and how we say no to bullying. We ended this week off with Pink T-shirt Day. We managed to raise over $300 for the Mental Health Foundation. Thank you everyone for all your support. Let's see the highlights for the day.
We have a few sports teams out this week. Good luck to everyone competing in our zone tournaments this week. A big congratulations to the Year 7 and 8 girls football who came first in the 7 zone tournaments last week. Well done, girls. A massive thank you to all the coaches that take their time out to come train our sports teams. We appreciate everything you do for me.
Our school is looking much nicer with minimum rubbish around our grounds. Please remember to use our bins correctly. Paper bin is only for paper and cardboard. Please do not put anything else in there because it does not get recycled if there is other rubbish. Food scraps bin is only for food scraps. Landfill rubbish for everything else, or if you are unsure about which bin your waste goes into. Keep making good choices and make our school look beautiful.
Our focus is caring and sharing when playing on the AstroTurf. We share and respect the area. We refrain from eating gum, lollies, lunches when on the AstroTurf.
We refrain from swinging and climbing on hoops, poles, nets, and fences when on the AstroTurf. We play round ball games. We use the sports equipment correctly.
Hope everyone has been practicing our te reo. Our first phrase is kei te aha ia, what is she doing? Our second phrase is kei te oma ia, she or he is running. If they are not doing this action, here's how you say it. Kahore ia I te oma, he or she is not running.
Week of learning, keeping amazing. Let's go and end this week with a quick recap of some of the amazing things we have been doing.